Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Pokemon Go on your iPhone. Pokemon Go is a free-to-play augmented reality mobile game. It is available for both iOS and Android devices. If you want to get it downloaded on your iOS device, then the process is quite simple. First, make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet. Once that is connected, open up your App Store. In the search box, type in Pokemon Go and search. Soon after the application is displayed in the search result, tap the download button to begin the installation process for Pokemon Go. Wait until the application gets downloaded, which is a quick process depending upon your internet speed. Once the application is downloaded and if it is ready for use, you'll be able to see the open button pop up. Tap on open to launch Open Pokemon Go right on your iOS device. Allow necessary permissions for the app and you should be able to launch Open the game right away. Follow through the prompts, enter your date of birth information and other information and get started with Pokemon Go. That is how you can easily download Pokemon Go application for your iOS device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.